Buttermilk. Just the word conjures up images of comfort and tradition. The name alone feels nostalgic. Think farmhouse kitchens, the smell of baking, and trays of fresh scones cooling on a wooden table. It's a taste of simpler times when recipes were passed down through generations. Traditionally, buttermilk was the tangy, slightly sour liquid left behind after churning butter from cream, a humble byproduct that became a kitchen staple. Today, most buttermilk is made by culturing milk with friendly bacteria, giving it that signature tang and creamy texture we love. Its gentle acidity is a secret weapon in the kitchen. It reacts with baking soda or baking powder, creating bubbles that make cakes, biscuits, and scones incredibly light and tender. That's why buttermilk pancakes are so fluffy and soft, with a delicate crumb that melts in your mouth. And when it comes to fried chicken, buttermilk is the secret to juicy, tender meat and a perfectly crisp crust. The acid in buttermilk gently breaks down tough proteins, making it a brilliant marinade for meats, especially chicken, pork, or even fish. But let's be honest, most of us don't keep a carton of buttermilk on hand, and it's easy to run out just when you need it most. You might buy it for one recipe, only to forget the rest in the fridge until it's past its prime. That's why knowing how to make your own buttermilk at home is a true game changer for any home cook. It's about being clever and resourceful, ready to whip up pancakes, scones, or even a quick marinade at a moment's notice, without a special trip to the store. With this simple trick, you're always just minutes away from buttermilk bliss, and your kitchen is ready for whatever delicious inspiration strikes next. Here's my kitchen cheat for instant buttermilk. A simple trick that saved me countless times when I'm halfway through a recipe and realize I'm out of buttermilk. All you need are two basic ingredients you probably already have in your fridge and pantry: milk and either lemon juice or white vinegar. For every cup of milk, simply add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar to a jug or measuring cup, whichever you prefer. Then pour in milk until you reach the 1 cup mark. It's as easy as that. No fancy equipment or special skills required. Any milk works for this hack. Full-fat milk gives you a richer, creamier buttermilk. But low-fat or even skim milk will do the job if that's what you have on hand. It's totally flexible. Give it a gentle stir to combine, then let the mixture sit undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes. This is when the magic happens. The milk will thicken and curdle just a bit, developing that classic tang and texture you want in buttermilk. Give it one last stir, and just like that, you've got fresh, homemade buttermilk ready to use in your favorite recipes. It's quick, easy, and means you never have to dash out to the shop or abandon your baking plans. In less time than it takes to boil an egg, you've made a key ingredient from scratch. No stress, no fuss. It's a small kitchen victory that makes a big difference, and trust me, it tastes absolutely delicious in everything from pancakes to cakes and biscuits. Got leftover buttermilk sitting in your fridge? Store it in a clean jar with a tight-fitting lid in the fridge. It'll keep fresh for up to a week. If it separates, just give it a good shake before using. Want to keep it even longer? Freeze it in ice cube trays for handy, ready-to-use portions. Each cube is about a tablespoon, perfect for your favorite recipes. Thaw in the fridge or gently in the microwave, then whisk well to recombine. Having frozen buttermilk on hand means you're always ready to bake something delicious. It's a simple way to avoid waste and always be prepared for any recipe. A secret stash of baking potential, right in your freezer, ready whenever you need it. With homemade buttermilk, the kitchen is yours to explore and create. This simple ingredient opens up a world of delicious possibilities, inviting you to experiment and make every meal special. Use it for pancakes and waffles, so light and fluffy, they're weekend perfection. The tangy richness of buttermilk gives your breakfast treats a lift, making every bite melt in your mouth good. It adds moistness and tang to cakes, muffins, and scones. Your baked goods will stay tender and flavorful with a subtle zing that keeps everyone coming back for more. Try a buttermilk scone, warm from the oven, or the most tender chocolate cake ever. The buttermilk makes every crumb soft, and every bite a little celebration. For savory dishes, marinate chicken in buttermilk for juicy, flavorful results. The buttermilk tenderizes the meat, infusing it with subtle tang and keeping it moist as it cooks. It's the secret to crispy fried chicken. The buttermilk bath helps the coating stick and creates that irresistible crunch with every bite. Make creamy salad dressings, homemade ranch or blue cheese is a game changer. Buttermilk brings a tangy freshness that lifts every salad and dip. Or blend buttermilk with water, salt, and cumin for a cooling lassi. This traditional drink is perfect for hot days, soothing and refreshing with every sip. Add mango and honey for a sweet twist. The fruitiness and natural sweetness pair beautifully with the tang of buttermilk, creating a treat that's both nourishing and delicious. Buttermilk is versatile magic for sweet and savory dishes. From breakfast to dinner and snacks in between, it's a staple that brings out the best in your cooking. Embrace the tang. Your kitchen adventures start now. Let buttermilk inspire you to try new recipes, share meals with loved ones, and savor every homemade bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications so you never miss a recipe. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help our channel grow. Thanks for cooking along with me. See you next time.